Hi, Miss Ivy. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, good day, Madam and Sir. I'm Ivy Sharon Pilaes Pasasala, 40 years old. I live in 290 Prieto Street, Del Rosario, Manaor, Camarines Sur.
Okay. And are you single or married, ma'am?
I'm married together.
Okay. Do you have any kids?
I'm blessed two sons, 5 years old and 7 years old.
Okay. How many siblings do you have, ma'am?
3 siblings.
Okay.
I'm the eldest.
All right. So, tell me about your educational background.
I'm college graduate,
Okay. And what is your course, ma'am?
Bachelor of Science in Agriculture.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Are you finished contract?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. And can you indicate your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper?
My duties and responsibilities are taking care of the kids, cooking, cleaning, ironing, and washing clothes.
Okay. What country did you go to before, ma'am?
Singapore.
Okay. And can you describe yourself?
I'm a hardworking, trustworthy, and honest.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo in your
Don't
body?
have, ma'am.
Okay. What are those marks in your arms?
This is the, the cream.
Okay. And thank you. Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Don't have, ma'am.
What surgery did you undergo to, ma'am? Sorry.
Cesarean when I give birth to my two
Okay.
kids.
Okay. Both are cesarean?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But what year is that?
2018 and 2019.
Okay. And why do you want to work abroad?
I want to help my husband to earn money and support my two kids.
Okay. Good. And are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes.
Okay. Even the small ones?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Give me your idea. How can you take care of a naughty children?
I breathe and I talk to them calmly and reading books.
Okay. And for the last question, ma'am, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, if they hire me, I'm I'll promise to do my best and hardworking, trustworthy. And if you have kids, ma'am, I will take care of. I will love them as my own. Thank you, madam.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.